Hello everyone, this is Devraj. Now I will show you how we'll deploy our multiple ASP.NET project or is a static website like this using Docker, actually multiple Docker using Docker Compose with Azure portal, actually Azure virtual machine. First of all, we need to log in our Azure portal, and in this section we see we can freely use these services. Windows Virtual Machine Computer 750 hours is more complex. I don't know. I tried several times, but cannot figure out how uh, working with this system. So we will go through Linux Virtual Machine. Let's create. First, we need to create a resource group name demo VM virtual machine name. Uh, demo. We have to securely share. Yeah. Uh, Authentication type you will use SSH public key or password. I'll go for password. You can also go through the this way, and both works. It's not mandatory. So username is let's create a multi complex pass like this. We always use this like 7 13 use this password control control V allows. Now we will allow this ports. Next, uh, these are for tutorial purpose, not share this credential for personal use. Let's create. This is deployment in process. Let's complete this process. That is our virtual machine is created and it's running. Let's connect. As I said, there is two way to connect. There is more way to connect. You can see here is so This is a CLI. So select this. As I said, that there is a SSH public key connection method is the way. So we will connect two ways using public key, user ID, and password. Another is SSH key. Let's connect SSH key. So security and backup. So reset public SSH key. Here we'll add a SSH public key. Name this, and OK. And name it the username. Hmm, OK. Download it. It's downloaded. So using putty we will convert this public downloads. We actually downloaded not need to conversion. This putty we will go through the putty. Here we have to use username first and then at the rate and then uh, we will use public key and SSH auth credential and we need to create a private key. So puttygen load private key this file save we go through the puttygen conversion input key here and save the public key with name ppk. Okay, then we'll load download ppk. Open we'll accept it and here is a recursion of password. We have this password and enter. Here is we entered our VM machine. This is the way to connect. Here is another way to connect. I will show you. Let's exit it. Let's open our terminal. Here is the connect option. Connect. Selecting. Here we connect. The port is available. You have to worry about this. This is the default name. We do not worry about that. Even if we do not generate the public key or primary key, this is not required. Just follow this command and enter. There will be a question. Yes, then ask his password and copy. There is also a connected. Let's create a folder. KDR role plus and let's go to the admin sudo. Let's see. Here we enter our admin panel. Let's configure it. We will install the necessary parts of the package for our project or easy to handle this or queries. Then install VM to edit some or document. Now we will install the Apache for a static website. Actually, install it Apache and we will go our static website using this IP. Here is your static website. Let's configure your personal website like a static portfolio. Let's need to go the index location. So cd mm, cd www. Let's check HTML. Here is the default HTML folder cd HTML. Then here is the index file. Let's create a simple static um, HTML file using Vim. Let's demo.html. Hit enter. Here is the file. Let's press I for insert. Then and I generated a HTML file. Let's copy and paste. Then some make space. Press ESC. Press colon W for right small W, and then quit colon Q. It's set. After you have this done, you can go and see your static website. Like no, let demo.html. Here is the static website done. Our first part is complete. Let's implementation our other part. Go to root using this cd and spaces. Here is our root directory, and see. So we'll go to our project folder using easy to go, or there is one directory left, so copy and paste. Then your project, the project. Let's copy our project through git command. Let's git colon this project. Here you can see our project is loaded. My project has some prerequisite need to configure, so let's do it. Cd down ls cd sources rc plus cd plus. Here is our compose file and other data. First, we need to configure our API and log and others. So go to this. We need to EIM edit program CS. Let's I press for insertion, then Our course policy update. We need to add here. Let's see our ports. This is Control C, Control V. This is HTTP port. We need to this part. Then space. Then here you need to provide the port like 8080. This is our uh, port to hit the our API. We will see the later. Then and also add more like mm, port 6969 and we will configure for HTTPS for another security purpose. I need to keep S. We need to save press ESC, place clone, W for write, press clone, Q for white. And I think I configured the perfectly. Let's see which port is necessary. That docker containers docker dot here is here you can see we have here enable for this port to access 6969 and 8080. Actually we need to explore the course enable for 8080. Another option we have here for default purpose to access this API. So it's what let's edit it here for the URL for API. Let's bin press I for insert. Remove the previous IP. Press B. Oops. Actually, press this and remove the comma here and colon. That's right, I think. Okay, save it. Press ESC. Press colon dub buffer right is colon dub qber quite. Let's create Docker installations process. We need to install Docker. We have done this process and Docker installation. We will see the documentation to Docker installation. If you will search install Docker engine, you will become here. Let's think Docker install Ubuntu. The same page here. Let's run the following command to uninstall and conflict packages. Let's copy, paste, hit enter, done. Go through this installation method, set up Docker repository, copy, paste, and hit enter. Okay, then install Docker packages, copy, copy, paste Y to confirm. It's done. Let's for check what is working or not. It's worked. So we need to install also Docker Compose. I'll install this later. The because we need to show why we need to install this package. Let's configure our log file folder for two project. We are here for default direction. Let's create here a API log and another for web. Here is you can see API web, log web and log API, and create. We have to enable this part, and we need to create a volume, two volume for step API and web project. Let's create cd log API. Actually logs. It's okay now. Then need to copy the directory, then paste here. It actually bind the external folder So we can see the log. Then copy this line, and you can see, then hit enter. As you can see, the structure API log is created, and therefore cd logs w, then copy this path, then paste it here for the more accurate copy. Looks good. Then hit enter, and you can see, and you can see our volumes, Docker volumes. Let's and you can see our two volume are created in local. Check it. Okay. Let's create our env file for running our application. cd cd. This part are necessary. Its requirement because of my project is dependent in this environment variable, so I need to configure it. This is not a requirement for everyone. Let's check your project to minimum requirement, how you want to run it. My project requirement is need to env file. Let's give api dot env. Let's press I for insert, and I need to, actually you don't use this credential event you have seen, because I use this tutorial for your help and tutorial purpose. Then save it. Need to save it. Yes, you see w right, rescue, exit, cd back, cd go to our web. Let's create env file. Check. Plus this is okay, looks okay. BIM B plus I, then paste this credential from my project. Press W to write, press Q, quite. Let's see, donate, press, and let's see what is necessary. Other things, no need. Docker compose, Docker compose minus minus We need to edit something. Yes, actually, it's for security purpose. Right. Dot C. Yes. Sorry. I need to. It should be program.cs. Yes, and press I. Actually, I have debugged this error, so I need to remove this part here. And save it. Press I. Yes, see, press W to write. Press Q to quit. Let's back. Then run Docker Compose. Uh, minus UI. Here you can see this command not work. Why? The Docker Compose is not on. So we need to install this using this command. Press Y to accept. Then our command will. Oh, it's now will take some time to build this my application. My API is worked done. Yes, building my own project. Here we see our application has completely. So if we access through our IP like this, port 6969 lines, or you can access 8080. This is actually not working. We need to configure our network setting, and you can see we have to update our inbound rules. Inbound rules, create inbound rule. So sign 8080, press OK. If I access through this, and we have to another photos 69696969 6969. Yeah, this our website is working. I have access our website and success to register like zone do it John 017. This is the team number, and we need to pass a password to register. Yes, user registration successfully. Let's see product. Um, Actually, we have seen our static website also working, and default website is working, and our .NET application is working. Let's change our profile picture like this. Open, and our profile is successfully updated, and here you can see the profile picture. Here is another website. Using our Ubuntu VM virtual machine, we have seen our 3 or 4 website, you can say. Here is our basic static website, then demo. This is our website. This is our API website. It's working through our IP and port. Get. Let's try to get. Just trying to access, and I think it will show nothing because it's demo or dummy. Quit. Another is our home, our basic web application. This is our web application. We need to exit from our server. Let's Control C. Stop. Down. Actually, we need to figure out whether our Docker container is stop or not. So we need to see Docker ps. So I have seen our Docker container has been stopped. So we need to run it again. This is not working. Docker minus T. I think we can exit now. Here is our website. Is working, 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 working. We can exit, 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 exit. We have to log out from our server. See, we have seen our the basic concept using virtual machine deploying our static website or multiple project ASP.NET project using Docker container. It's working. Thank you very much. If you have get benefit of this video, please help like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.